Namaste to everyone. I am your physical education teacher Narasimha Raju, Mangala Vidya Mandira, Yelahanka. Already we know 5 sitting yoga asanas posture. Today I will teach you more 5 sitting yoga asanas posture. Before we performing asanas, we make our body warm up. Sit easily. Start warm up your head region, rotation your head. And do up and downs. Rotate your shoulder region, both sides. And do up and downs. Shake well your legs freely and rotate your ankle joints, both sides. Now we started slowly asanas. First asana name is Tulasana or Padma Tulasana. And this asana also called as scale pose. Sit in Padmasana posture. Place your palms beside of the hip. The fingers pointing forward. Raise your cross legs off the floor on the balance. This is the asana strength and healthy. Stay in this pose 5 to 10 seconds. Distribute your weight equally both arms. Trying to swing back and front, so slowly rest on the floor and cross your legs and cross to another way of the round. Tulasana, stretching to the fingers, arms and stomach muscles. Slowly relax your body. Janu Shirasasana, second asana name is Janu Shirasasana. It is also called as head and knee pose. Janu Shirasasana helps to our health. Sit in the Dandasana, bend your knee and place your ankle close to your left thigh. Raise your arms over the head. Bend forward and hold your left foot, both your hands. Try to rest your forehead, touch your left knee. Breathe normally, stay in this pose 20 to 40 seconds. This asana stretching hamstring muscles, kidneys and heart muscles. Come up and raise your hands and bring them down. Straight your right leg and bend your left knee. Do the pose on the left side. Staying for another 20 to 40 seconds. Finally come back to the Dandasana. Relax your body. Paschimottanasana. Third asana name is Paschimottanasana. This asana also called as the in-stage back stretch. Sit in the Dandasana, raise your arms over the head and keep your toes erect. Bend forward and hold your feet with your both hands, trying your forehead and chin touch your knee. Stay in this pose 30 to 60 seconds. Paschimottanasana helps to our abdominal organs and fresh your brain. Slowly relax. Baddha Konasana, literally this asana mixed angle pose. Start by Dandasana, bend your knees sideways and both knee and your ankles and join your feet, bring them close your body. Keep your chest erect and try your shoulders back and sit on the floor. Stay in this pose 30 to 60 seconds. Once you are comfortable in this pose, you can go to the next asana. Next asana name is Virasana. Veera means warrior or hero. This pose also called as hero pose. It is a good exercise for sportsmen. Go down both your knees, keep your knees together and slightly move your foot sideways. Sit on the floor, performing Jnana Mudra. This is to Virasana. Sit in the pose 1 to 2 minutes. By practicing, we have to sit longer this asana. This is the 5 sitting yoga asanas everyone practice at your homes, and serious note is there. You should make one small videos and share your WhatsApp group because it's their internal marks.